Hey there. Today, we're going to look at how to delete your Facebook account. So let's get started. First, open Facebook on your browser and sign in. At the top right corner, click on your profile icon. From the drop-down, select Settings and Privacy, then click on Settings. On the left-hand side menu, find and click on Account Center. This will open a new page. Scroll down and select Personal Details. Next, click on Account Ownership and Control. Now click on Deactivation or Deletion. Choose the Facebook account you want to delete. Select Delete Account, then press Continue. Facebook will ask why you are deleting your account. Choose a reason or skip it, and click Continue. You will now see a page with important details about account deletion. Read through if needed, then click Continue. Enter your password when prompted, then click Continue again. On the final screen, confirm by clicking Delete Account. Your Facebook account will be scheduled for deletion, and you will have 30 days to cancel if you change your mind. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next one.